Italy, the Alps. In winter, Val di Fiemme looks like a snowy wonderland. But for public transport operators, it's a very different story. Extreme cold, steep slopes, and icy roads all put vehicles to the test. Trentino Trasporti, responsible for local transport services, has extensive experience in operating under such snowy conditions.
Allora, qua ci troviamo a Cavarese, in Italia, a Trentino. Qui, come vedete, la situazione è che sta nevicando molto, prima anche delle prossime settimane sarà appunto le temperature molto basse. Allora, la sfida più grande appunto è riuscire a utilizzare i mezzi su queste strade innevate, affrontando le basse temperature.
The special working conditions of Trentino require specific challenges for the bus. We're talking about high power, high torque, in order to run successfully on all kinds of roads, including the high slopes, and also considering the tough conditions. The challenge of the buses is also due to the temperature that we are experiencing in the area, which are tough temperatures that can reach minus 15 degrees Celsius.
This route has a daily mileage of up to 200 kilometers, winding through mountainous terrain at altitudes ranging from 1,000 meters to 1,500 meters, posing a true test of vehicle power and range. To address this challenge, Trentino Trasporti introduced 20 Yutong U12 battery electric buses. So, how do they rise to the challenge?
Yutong U12 comes with a high-efficiency traction motor and a carbon dioxide heat pump AC. Together with power-on-demand control, the bus can significantly reduce energy consumption. Safety-wise, the vehicle uses high-strength steel and a robust closed-ring body structure, fully compliant with R29, R66, and R93 standards. The traction battery is also designed for maximum safety, with technologies such as liquid cooling and heating, nitrogen protection system, and the 3-layer fire protection structure. And the key components and systems meet IP68 and IP6K9K protection levels, so it can handle snow melt and tough road conditions without any issues.
But high-performance vehicles are only part of the solution. Reliable support is just as crucial. How does Yutong's service team ensure these buses operate fault-free even in harsh winter conditions?
从我们获得新车订单信息之后，我们第一时间联系了我们的当地服务站资源，让我们当地的培训师跟客户处的司机来一个简单的基础的培训。验收的过程中呢，我们也满足了客户的定制化的需求。首先是这个配件的话，我们根据这批新车订单，专门在意大利本地设置了库存。我们在客户运营附近找了一个我们的2级站，对于客户有突发的问题啊，我们都可以第一时间的响应。
Già dai primi test abbiamo visto che funzionano molto bene.
From the demanding roads of Val di Fiemme, Yutong has proven its reliability and efficiency in extreme environments. And this reliability is exactly what cities and operators around the world need. Together with partners worldwide, Yutong is driving greener mobility forward wherever the journey leads.